See, all I have to do is touch her. I'm not doing anything else. She starts moving her legs if I start touching her legs especially. She gets really happy if you start holding her a little bit. That's all it takes to touch her a little bit. You getting this?
Yeah.
And she's happy as can be. I could just pet her as much as I want. She's in this very physical
Let her roll
mood.
over. Didn't she do the rolling?
No, she might.
There she
Yeah.
goes.
So now she's really. So then here, pet her again. She goes right back up.
Yeah, do that again. Pet her again when she does that.
Just a minute.
Yeah, do that one. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I know. Yep. There she goes, right back. And then here we go. Touch the back legs. That's all it takes. A lot of meowing. Mm-hmm. You're silly. See? Can you see her feet moving and everything?
Yeah. I have it very well. It's actually excellent.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're so silly. Yes.